So the first thing I would do is rewrite the equation so it's in the form that we're used to. So I'm going to divide everything by negative 1600. That way we can make it equal to 1. So on the first one we have 16 over negative 1600. That's going to reduce to be y plus 5 squared over negative 100. And then for the 100 divided by 1600, because they're both negative, it's going to turn into plus x minus 7 squared over positive 16 equal to 1. Then I'm going to rearrange it because I see the negative with that fraction. So I'm going to have x minus 7 squared over 16 minus y plus 5 squared over 100 equal to 1. So now it's in the form that we're used to. So if you look at the values next to my x and y, that's my shifting. So I know I'm moving from the origin to the right 7 and then down 5, just like all our regular transformations. So we have that the center is going to be 7, negative 5, which you do have right there. And then next what we want to do is look at the denominators. We're going to move left and right, the square root of the number you see here. And we're going to move up and down the square root of that 100. So that will be 10. So I can look at the picture to verify or see, because it looks like this was marking it wrong for Alex. But what I like to think about is that if we're moving left and right 4, that's going to affect my x values. So really it's going to be 7 plus 4 and then 7 minus 4 and then have that same y value. And so really we're talking about the point 11, negative 5, and 3, negative 5. So those are going to be the points left and right. So we want to make sure that those are correct, which that looks like it so far. That's 11, negative 5. And then over here we do have a positive 3, negative 5. And then for the next part, we're going to be affecting the y values. So the up and down 10 is going to affect that negative 5. So we're going to keep the 7, and we're going to say negative 5 plus the 10, and then negative 5 minus the 10, which is going to give me 7, 5, and then 7, negative 15. So I can see that's the error right now, that we're going to have to go up and down those 10 spaces. So up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we're off the page 10. So this will be at 7, negative 15, and this upper one should be at 7, 5. And so our rectangle is much longer than what you had drawn there. So hope that helps.